lot of serious stuff on tonight, and in a moment, Mick Mulvaney is going to break down how the crisis in Israel is playing out in the presidential race, and some pretty controversial comments by Donald Trump. But before we go to the break,
dude, come on.
Let's lighten things up a little bit with a little fun, Kamala Harris style. It seems the vice president was in Charleston, South Carolina this week to talk about college kids and their fight for freedoms. And it turned out instead to be a fight between Kamala Harris and the English language.
Great word.
I will tell you, I eat no for breakfast.
No for breakfast or just no breakfast? I don't know. That must be very confusing for the hotel staff. And also there was a fight between Kamala Harris
I can't say that word.
and her inability to go 5 minutes without talking about Venn diagrams.
I'll tell you one of the things about me. So I'm kind of a nerd on certain levels about certain things. So here's one reveal. I love Venn diagrams. I love Venn diagrams. I'm telling you, whenever I'm facing like a conflict and I need to sort it out, give me a Venn diagram every day of the week, right?
Yeah.